Arch Linux versus Ubuntu server. Which Linux server OS is better? Choosing the right Linux server OS can transform your system management without unnecessary complexity. Arch Linux offers deep customization and control, whereas Ubuntu server prioritizes stability and user-friendliness. Arch Linux and Ubuntu server are two popular Linux server operating systems. Arch Linux is a lightweight rolling release distro aimed at experienced users who want full control. Ubuntu Server is a stable, long-term support distro designed for ease of deployment and maintenance. Arch Linux is a minimalist Linux distribution that provides a base system allowing users to build exactly what they need. It follows a rolling release model, meaning software is continuously updated rather than released in fixed versions. This gives access to the latest packages and features. Arch uses the Pacman Package Manager and the Arch User Repository, offering a vast software selection. Its design emphasizes simplicity and user control, requiring manual configuration and a deep understanding of Linux internals. Strengths include unmatched customization, cutting-edge software, and a lightweight footprint. However, this comes with a steep learning curve and high maintenance, as users must manage updates and troubleshoot issues themselves. Arch Linux is ideal for system administrators and developers who want full control over their server environment and enjoy hands-on management. It suits setups where flexibility and the latest software are priorities, and where users are comfortable with manual configuration and troubleshooting. Ubuntu Server is a widely used Linux distribution built on Debian, offering a stable and user-friendly platform for server deployments. It provides long-term support (LTS) releases with 5 years of maintenance and security updates, ensuring reliability and predictability. Ubuntu Server uses the apt package manager and has extensive official repositories, making software installation straightforward. It focuses on ease of use with pre-configured services and tools that simplify setup for web servers, databases, and cloud environments. Strengths include strong community support, extensive documentation, and compatibility with a wide range of hardware and software. Limitations include less control over the system compared to Arch Linux and slower access to the latest software versions due to the LTS model. Ubuntu Server is ideal for businesses and administrators who prioritize stability, security, and ease of maintenance. It fits well in production environments where uptime and support are critical and where users prefer a more guided and less hands-on approach. When choosing between Arch Linux and Ubuntu Server, consider your priorities. Arch Linux excels in customization and having the latest software, perfect for users who want to tailor every aspect of their server and are comfortable with manual management. However, it demands more time and expertise to maintain. Ubuntu Server, on the other hand, offers a stable, secure environment with long-term support, making it suitable for production servers where reliability is key. It simplifies deployment and maintenance, but sacrifices some flexibility and the newest features. For example, a startup needing quick stable deployment might choose Ubuntu Server, while a developer requiring bleeding-edge tools and full control might prefer Arch Linux. Both have strong communities, but Ubuntu's is larger and more beginner-friendly, while Arch's is more technical and detailed. Choose Arch Linux if you want complete control, cutting-edge software, and are comfortable managing a server with hands-on configuration and maintenance. Ubuntu Server is the better choice for those seeking a stable, secure, and easy-to-manage server environment with long-term support. It's ideal for production use where reliability and simplified maintenance are essential. Pick the OS that best fits your expertise and server needs.